Hello everybody, today we are going to learn how to factorize an expression. Factorizing an expression is just opposite to expanding an expression. For example, if we have to expand an expression, that is 3 2x plus y. In the expansion of this expression, we have to multiply this 3 by both the terms inside the bracket. So it will be 3 multiplied 2, that is 6x plus 3y. That is expanding the expression. Now we have this polynomial or expression, that is 6x plus 3y, and the question is factorize. If we factorize, we have to factorize this and this. The factors of 6 are 3 and 2, and then x plus 3 is a prime number, so it will be 3 multiplied y. Now here we can see that 3 is common. 3 is here and 3 is here. So we will take 3 as a common, and the resultant will be 2x plus y. So it is the same answer what was the question when we were expanding the expression. Now let's factorize this expression, that is 4x plus 8. We have 4, the factors of 4 are 2 multiply 2 multiply x, plus the factors of 8 are 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. Now let's see what we have which is common. We have 2, then we have another 2 here. So this pair we are going to take out of the bracket, that is 2 multiply 2, and the remaining is x and 2 with a positive sign. So x plus 2. So that will be 4x plus 2. Now let's factorize another question, that is 12x square minus 30. So first we are going to write all the factors of 12. We know that 12 is 6 multiplied 2, and 6 is 3 multiplied 2 multiplied 2. These are the factors of 12. So we are going to write 2 multiplied 2 multiplied 3. X square can be written as x multiply x. That is the complete factorization of 12x square minus 30. The factors of 30, 6 times 5 is 30, and 6 can be written as 2 multiply 3 multiply 5. So we are going to write 2 multiply 3 multiply 5. That's all. Now let's take what is common. We have 2 common, then we have 3 common, then there's nothing common, and the remaining is 2xx. So that is 2x square minus the remaining is 5. So the answer will be 6 2x square minus 5. So our next example is to expand to factorize. It is already in expanded form. We have to factorize it. 15y minus 20yz square. So what we are going to do, we are going to write the factors of 15. 5 times 3 is 15. 3 multiply 5 multiply y minus 20. 2 multiply 2 is 4 times 5 is 20 multiply y multiply z multiply z. Now let's see what is common inside. We have 5 so let's write 5. 3 is not common. We have y which is common, y, and the remaining is only 3 here, minus 2 multiply 2 is 4. This we have already taken out, so the remaining is z square. So this is the factorization of 15y minus 20yz square. Now our next question is, we have to factorize 132pq square r minus 96p square qr plus 108pqr square. So let's try to factorize 132. The middle number is sum of these two, so it is a factor of 11. So it is 11 multiply 12. So 11 and the factors of 12 are 2 times 2 is 4 times 3 is 12. So the factors will be 2 multiply 2 multiply 3 multiply 11 multiply p. This is a q square, q multiply q multiply r. So these are the factors of 132 p q square r. Now we have 96. You can do the factors of 96 using that old method, that is 2 times 4 is 8 and 2 times 8 is 16. 2 times 2 is 4 and 2 times 4 is 8. Then 2 times 1 is 2, 2 times 2 is 4, 2 times 6 is 12 and 2 times 3 is 6. So the factors of 96p square q r will be 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 and multiplied by 3. 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5 multiply 3. Then p square is p and q and r. So these are the factors of 96 p square q r. Now we have 108. So we have to find so that is 108. Let's try to find the factors of 108. 2 times 5 is 10 and 2 times 4 is 8. 2 times 2 is 4 and 2 times 7 is 14. 3 times 9 is 27, 3 and 3. So the factors of 108 is, this is plus 2 multiply 2 multiply 3 multiply 3 multiply 3, 1, 2, 3, then PQR squared, P, Q, R and R. So these are the factors of each term. Now let's see what is common. Let's say 2, 2 and 2. So let's write 2 here. Then another 2, 2, 2 is common in all three terms. Now there is no 2 here, so we forget about taking any 2 as a common. Now let's see if 3 is there or not. Yes, 3 is there. So 3, 3 and 3. So this 3 is common. Now there is no number here. So it means we cannot take any number common. There is no need even to check. Now let's see P is common. Q is common, then R is also common. Now here only 11 is common and Q. There is no Q here, so Q cannot be common. R is here, but R is not here. So there is nothing which is common in all 1, 2 or 3 terms. So now we are going to write what is remaining. So the remaining is 11Q minus, this is 2 times 2 times 2 is 8P plus 3 times 3 is 9R. So it will be, that is 6 times 2 is 12 PQR. 11Q minus 8P plus 9R. And that is the factorization of our question number 4. That's all for today. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe. In our next topic, we'll try to understand how to factorize a quadratic equation.